All right guys, the last piece of our Golf Mark 7.5 kit is the side splitters. So to install these side splitters, you're going to need your T25 Torx bit. We're going to remove a few screws from underneath the skirt. After you've taken those 3 screws out, you need a very obscure size socket, which is your 5.5 millimeter. There is one bolt, just one, right in the middle, here. From there, you simply slide the skirt back and it's going to drop off. Just like that. All right, once you've got your side skirt off, take your splitter and place it on a table or a bench or something. If you have a workhorse, that's ideal. And you can just line it up. You want to line up this back edge of the skirt with the back edge of the splitter right there. And grab yourself some sort of clamps so that you can drill some holes. Now we're going to take our 7.5mm drill bit and drill out all the holes. Then simply take your nut and nutsert and washer combo and put them together. Lastly guys, if you option the winglets for your side splitters, you can install them while they're off the car. You can do it while it's on the car as well, but since we're here, and don't forget, keep them loose, and you can also adjust how far out or in they sit. So this is easier if you grab a friend, line up the bolts with the cutouts on your side skirt, place it on there nice and evenly and slide forward. There we go. Yep. Sweet, done. Now simply reinstall the 3 T25 screws underneath and your one 5.5mm bolt in the center and you're done.